Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can open an app in floating window on this device. First of all, select an app like Gallery and click Home button. Now tap on the square button over here and hold your app. Select this middle icon with square on it, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this window over here and even overlay other apps. But if you want to close this window, all you need to do is hold this line over here, the bottom one, and drag it to the bottom of the screen. Then click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!